True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Mandeville, Manchester, and today is the 21st of September. So I'm gonna show you what Mandeville, Manchester look like, how to get around in Mandeville. So my exact location is at the Mega Mart shopping center. This is where you can come and get your shopping for your groceries and stuff. So Mandeville kind of change up in our way. A lot of people thinking about how to get around in Mandeville area. So it's a Sunday. It's not a busy day today, you know. It's gonna be. It's also overcast. We're gonna get some rain today. You know, Manchester wants some rain and thing. So this is the entrance of the Mega Mart shopping center. If you make the left turn, will take you all back to the Greenville roundabout. So I'm gonna make the right turn, will take you all into the town center area. Yeah man, you're supposed to know that stoplight the right of the Mega Mart. Next stoplight coming up. If you make the right turn at the next stoplight, will take you all to the Perth area. So you have the Manchester High School ahead. So from the NCB area, this is most likely a two-way. Going down further, it's gonna be a one-way. The one-way gonna start right from the stoplight, which will take you all towards Avenue, also into the town area. So coming to this stoplight, you see the pan green. Alright, so you know, so you have to stop at the stoplight. Show no how go on. Left turn will take you all towards Avenue. Right will take you back to the town center area. When you cross the stoplight here, this is gonna be a one-way. If you're going to the hospital, yeah man. So this is gonna be a one-way from right at the stoplights. Yeah, so now we have an understanding how the town set up. On your right, that is where you have the Mandeville Primary School. So all here is one way. You know, see a lot of changes in Manchester, Mandeville. Yeah man. So I'm gonna make a left turn right at the stoplight, taking over the progressive supermarkets, yeah, food store. And right here you have the Domino Pizza, also Wendy's. Yeah man, see a lot of people when they used to come them place here. If you remember the movie theater in Mandeville over here, so the movie theater used to the back them days there. So you see the changes in Mandeville now. Now you have a progressive food store. Them places are open until 10 o'clock in the night. I think this is one of the supermarket that closed the latest in Mandeville, Manchester. So leave in the comment section, tell me if you not learned something about Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. Yeah man, the place kind of overcast, so you know the video gonna look a bit dark and thing, you know. So big up on yourself anywhere now watch from me, y'all and abroad, you can big up on yourself. And thanks for tuning into the channel. Yeah man, this is a channel we're all about Jamaica. Show you how to get around in this beautiful country. Yeah man, no place so nice like yard. Yeah man. So right across from that stoplight there, that's where you'd go to the tax office, post office, fire station. But I'm gonna make the left turn, take you all back on the one way. So on the South Race Course Road, you'll find all the tax office, fire station, health center. And this road right here, I think it's Caledonia Road. So on your right, that is where you have the Mandeville Regional Hospital. Yeah man. So I'm taking over to the Super Plus shopping center. Yeah man. Giving you a nice tour of Mandeville so you can understand the place. Over here so you have a shipping company and stuff. BCIC Insurance and them place GK General. So leave in the comment section if Mandeville town look a bit clean or clean. Leave it in the comment section so we can interact and if we can make it a better Mandeville. So this is the Super Plus shopping center, and right here this is where I have also couple food store like Island Grill. Island Grill is right on this plaza right here. So if you love jerk chicken, rice and peas, also your soup. See the sign there? One way. So you can't make no right turn. One way. You can go across the road and take you all to Manchester. I think it's a shopping center. So I make a left turn. Yeah man, today is Sunday, you know. So yes, some people, if you want to know, if you don't want to know new or used car if you buy, and you can come on Mandeville, a lot of new car dealers in Mandeville. Yeah man, a lot of new car dealers in Mandeville. Also, you have the Pizza Hut, KFC. First time I could have make a right turn here, so go over the Manchester shopping center. You can't really do that anymore. Things and time change. Yeah man, so yes, as you can see, and put an island on the road so you can't turn to go over the Manchester shopping center. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Yeah man, one way, same way, and a one way. Think this is Main Street. Main Street, yeah man. So you know, across from Main Street you have the Parish Library, also Hargraves Avenue. Everybody's supposed to know about the private hospital, I'm call it Hargraves. Yeah man, Hargraves. So in case you don't want to go to the public hospital, you can go to the Hargraves. Watch your boss, you know, boss. I have to watch him, you know. You see that? If you watch them and care for them same way, no matter the situation the people are going through in their life, and if you care for them, yeah man, look out for them in the streets. Villa Road is on your left. Yeah man, remember so them place here one way. Can't go up into the town area now. Show you how I go into the town area. On an overcast day. So the Family Court, Manchester, Park 2, Crescent, Mandeville, Right up in here, you know, you have the police station. Police station is right on your left. So if you don't want to come at the police station, you don't have an understanding as part of the police station there. So all of the Manchester people, they want to big up on yourself. St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, Westmoreland. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, the people. One love and one heart. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, Mandeville nice, you know, nice and cool in the morning, yeah. Very, very cool. So leave in the comment section. Big up on yourself again. This is on a tour guide, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. At least you have an understanding how Mandeville, Manchester set up. Yeah, man, so I'm taking out of the town here now. So thanks for watching the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes.